We quite often get asked, how can we get an embroidery file to my machine, but I don't have a computer? Well, for people that don't have a computer, they generally have a device, a digital device like a smartphone or an iPad or tablet. And so you can still do this. It's just that you don't have the same viewing possibilities without having an app. So I don't have any apps for embroidery on my iPad. I'm just going to use the file system. But one thing you do need to do is you need to find an adapter. So this is called a lightning adapter, and it's got a USB connection that you'll fit your key for your machine into. And then the lightning adapter will go into my iPad. Now, if you have a later version digital device, you'll need a USB-C that goes into your device, which then you can put your USB key into or thumb drive into. So it's USB-C or lightning. So because my iPad is a few generations old, I need to use that until I update it. So it's slowly changing, so as we're all going to be using the same thing. So I plug that into my power point of my iPad, and then I will need to just go to my Sweet Pea account. So I've gone to my Sweet Pea account and I'm looking at my orders, and I've got my freeform coasters here, which I've got as an order, and therefore there's my freeform coasters. I want to access digital content, and then I want to download my files. Download. So once I've downloaded, my little download arrow comes up here and says, hey, you've got something here. There's my downloads. It's my files and instructions for the freeform coasters zip. Now with Apple, I think with Android as well, you can look into the zip file without having to unzip it or extract files, which is one of the beauty about using these sorts of devices. So we need to actually find it. There's my files there. And I'm going to go 5 by 5. And I'm looking for my PES files. So this is coaster number 1. And so coaster number 1, coaster number 2, coaster number 3, coaster number 4. I do them one by one so I don't get confused. So I'm looking for a PES file for my brother machine. So I'm going to hit that and I'm going to copy it. So copy it. And here is my USB called Martin 2. I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to paste it. So now that is actually on my USB key. So to prove that, I can take my USB key out and I can put it into my machine. And there's my freeform coaster. So you don't have to have a computer to get your files onto your machine.